Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. I'm Carmine Michaels with the Carmine Collar Corporation. And oh boy, I'll tell you, this right here is my best friend. I care about my best friend more than anything. Ain't it every man's best friend? I would never let this thing get hurt. At the Carmine Collar Corporation, we care about dogs' comfort, but more importantly than that, we care about their safety.
Hi, my name is Michael Carmine, and here we make the finest collars around. Like, you have no idea.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Oh boy, they're the best on the market. We've just created, what is it called? Yeah, that's right, it is
The Inflatable Dog Collar. It comes in 2 customizations. This is called the original. Is the luxury. It comes in multiple luxury ways. Or you can get the deluxe. The deluxe comes with cup holders.
Here are the available styles.
And hear from our satisfied customers.
It's very good. You should buy it.